Right now I'm at Curry's PC World to get my early Christmas present. I'm getting an Xbox One S. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this present for so long. And I'm going to be selling my PS4. But don't skip the video or just go into another video, because I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to unbox it and set it up. This is what I'm getting, but it comes with a few more games. Wow, I can't wait to play this. I've been waiting for this. I can't wait to get this present because I've been waiting for this for so long. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Aqib's TV. This is my new channel. You may know me from Ali Raj's Bug and Barry UK, but this channel is about me and you guys having fun together. We're going to play together, we're going to cook together, we're going to unbox together, and we're going to travel together. Last night I went Curry's PC World to get my early Christmas present, a Xbox One S. I'm going to be unboxing it and show you how to set it up. Let's get into it. I'm going to be using a knife to shred through all the sellotape, and I'm so excited because I didn't open this. I'm just opening it now, as you guys can see. Now let's turn it over. So now we need to do this side. And the quality on this is really good. Okay, now this is supposed to just slide over. Wow, look at this. This is the game that I'm getting, and that game. This game is called Forza Horizon, and this game is called Gears of War. I can't wait to play them because they all have 4K on them. The quality is going to look very good. Now, let's just cut through this and get into the actual console. Okay. So, first thing I'm going to take out is this. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's stuck. It's stuck. Oh, okay, you need to... Oh, these are where all my games are. So I get an Xbox Game Pass to get like 3 games, and I get this game. It's called Lego Speed, and I get this like magazine kind of thing. So let's get that out. Let's put that on the side, and let's pull this out here. So what is this? It's an Xbox One warranty guide. It shows like if you have any issues and stuff, it has all these features in it. Now, I got that. Let's take out the actual beauty itself. Got out the actual beast itself. Let's unwrap it. Okay, let's see. Get out all the sellotape. And don't throw the box away in case you have any like problems with it. Wow, this is so beautiful, and this would go fit so nicely with my like sitting room. It looks so nice. Look, this is the actual button. So now I'm going to take all the plastic off the controller. Let me take that off. Wow, this feels so comfortable. Look. If you want to speak to your friends, you can just put a mic in there, and this looks so good, and it's so comfortable as well, because normally on PS4 this all is plastic, and some people sweat when they play games, and all the sweat will soak in and make the actual material soggy. But this one, it has a nice material over here, so no sweat gets in. Wow, this looks so nice. Can't wait to use this. You can hear all the sounds and all the... Now it's time to open the plugs. This is the HDMI cable. Yeah, I'm not going to unwrap that right now. Let's just get it. This is the power cord. Look. This is really long as well. These these cables are really long. So if you want to take it like... put it somewhere where you want it safe. These are really long, so you can put them there. Okay, is there anything else? Let's check in the box. Oh, there's a quick start menu. Let's just get this out. Xbox. Okay, let's see. This is how like you set it up. It tells you instructions how to set it up. So, yeah. Now let's set the actual Xbox up. Xbox controller is wireless and it works with batteries. So let's open this up here. Oh, there's a little slot to like open it up. Make sure you put the plus sign and the minus sign the right way. Next one. Okay, now we just put the lid back in. Oh, next. There. The batteries are all inside of here. Now it's time to set it up. This is the power cord. Time to unwrap it. Okay, now we need the actual Xbox itself. Look how long it is. It's really long. And this one as well. Okay, now to set it up. Get all the plastic off. So the power cord goes in here and the plug goes into the socket. Let's just put that in there. And the HDMI goes into the HDMI out TV. Then it goes on the back of the TV. So this one goes in the back of the TV to connect them all in each other. So now it's time to turn on the Xbox. You heard that? It sounds so good. Okay, now we just need to wait until it shows on the screen. Yeah, it's coming now. Xbox One. I'm so excited to play this and set it up. So now it's time to quick start it. It tells me to press A on the controller. Pressed it. And I'm English. I come from United Kingdom. So now I just need to put my Wi-Fi connection. So the Xbox will ask you to put in your Wi-Fi and your Wi-Fi password. After you do that, it will say everything is good. Then it will say your console is connected to the internet. Then you just press continue. I'm United Kingdom. It's time to update. Now it just needs to update. Oh, I can't wait. My heart is racing. Start update. Downloading update. Oh. Then verifying update and applying update. So take a little long. While this is updating, this is my first ever video on this channel. I have another channel with my dad. It's called Ali Raj's Blackberry UK and I upload every week. So if you like my video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications because you'll be notified every time I upload. It took about 15 minutes to update, but after the update, it will tell you to sign into your Microsoft account. And if you don't have a Microsoft account, you just press next and it will tell you to make one. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notifications because you'll be notified every time I upload. See ya.